Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what maintenance is required after a spray foam roof is installed. Maybe you're going to get a spray foam roof. It's going to cost thousands of dollars, and you're wondering, how is this thing maintained? Can you just let it go? Do you have to do certain things? What do you have to do to keep the warranty going, etc.? So we're going to go through a couple points about that. First thing is scenarios when the warranty will not be covered with damages to the foam roof. The easiest example is when drains get covered up with leaves and the roof can no longer drain properly. If you neglect the roof and the water starts backing up and foam might start eroding away, or the sun causes damage with the water on the roof because it's not draining properly, those are not going to be covered under warranty. You have to have a certain maintenance plan installed to maintain the warranty, whether it's through a roofing contractor that does that or your own personnel that goes up on the roof and cleans the gutters, but you have to have someone go on there. But if you just leave the roof as is and 5 years have gone by and you've never touched it and there's damage, it's not going to be covered. There's no way. Next thing is the benefits of a full-time service department. So some roofing companies, they have a full-time service department and some don't. They just pull a guy off a new job. Yeah, go fix this real quick, go clean their gutters and leave. A full-time service department, they'll have records of your roof, what stuff's been looked at before, what problem areas have been looked at, what's been done last time, just so they know what's going to happen this time. There's a lot of benefits to a full-time service department, so when you're looking at which company to choose for your new roof install, you might want to lean towards someone that's got full-time service on board. What's the cost of maintenance? Is it tied into the proposal, and is it needed to maintain the warranty? Cost of maintenance is $300 to $500 maybe every time they show up, but it depends how far away you are, how big the roof is, how long it's going to take to clean all your gutters out, inspect the entire roof. Everything's a little different, but cost goes hand in hand with those variables. It's usually not tied into the proposal for a new roof install. And like I said, you don't need to sign up for one to keep the warranty going, but you have to have someone internally do it, or else your warranty is not going to be covered for the whole duration. And what happens once the warranty expires? For a foam roof, you'll have 1.5 inches of spray foam, and you'll have a certain millage of coating over it that's meant to protect the foam roof. After the 10 years are up, or 15 or 20, the coating wears away real thin, and when the warranty is up, then you can just clean the roof and add brand new coating over top of that. The foam never loses any performance or R value or anything like that, and you get a brand new warranty. So that's the benefit of a spray foam roof. It's renewable, and the warranty is renewable. So that's it for today. Hope you learned at least one thing new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.